Hey everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. So last video, the title is PSU Bank, the hidden gem. Yes, the title here it's a PSU Bank next big bet. It's not a like. So actually, it's I'm explaining about this PSU Bank index and how this one is moving and what we can expect from here and the stock wise performance of the PSU Bank till now and future prediction as per the trend line. So that's all I am explaining here, and it may helpful to you to book the profits or otherwise to hold these stocks till it can ride until its targets. So it's all depend on you. You can judge this one or you can hold this one or you can sell this one. It's all up to you, but I'm expecting something more from here, and you can watch these videos if you like these videos, and you can share this video to your friends too. And here I included some of the private banks too, and people are asking why you included in the PSU bank, but this series is not alone for this PSU banks. It can I'm expecting some good private banks and some small finance bank and even some financial services also. It can perform well in the future as too. So the chart wise I am explaining all these stocks. So this series I may start with this PSU bank, and I will start this PSU bank, the elder brother, that is the SBIN, the Motabai of PSU bank. So let's go to start this SBIN first, and we can check the stock wise performance of the SBIN. So this is SBIN, and you guys already knows that the performance as well. And I'm giving you a small hint for in your future. It can helpful you in the in your investment journey. So this is a small technical or otherwise a small mathematical calculations here. That means a stocks you can see the stocks was consolidating a long time this range. So you can see it made a high here and come down here, then again up again here, and it was consolidated a long time. And now you can see after the breakout, it's moving like see the movement. So I'll tell you something like you for calculation you need to find the average high and average low. If you calculate here maybe 380 the average as per the trend line, it gave a breakout 385, but you calculate the previous high is around here 380, you can consider 370, and the lower support is around 150. So if you calculate the difference, that is around 370 minus 150, so it will give you the difference between this one. So that's mostly around 220 now, yeah. So it's 220 370, yes. So the difference between this high and low, this high and low, that is 220. So once we get a breakout, that is a multi-year breakout. That means the more than 10 years, 15 years, 20 years breakout, then only it will work. Otherwise, it can give you maybe 30 to 50% of profit. If we get a multi-year breakout, most of the case, these stocks can deliver 3x return. That means you need to calculate the difference. We already calculated the difference is 220. 220 into 3, that is 660. You got my point. That is 220 into 3. So 600 plus 60. So 660. And you need to add the breakout range, that is 370 plus 660, that is around 900, and 70 plus 60 30, that means 1030. So the mathematical calculations give you the target is around 1030, that is here around 1030. So exactly we already we achieved this target. But if you ask me as per the trend line, what target I was looking for this one after breakout, that is the trend line breakout is here around 380. Then I say that this line, that is this is the previous flow of the chart. This line and this was the target I am looking for. That means that was around 835 range. Then I can explain you the next targets and next movement as per the trend line. So you can see after that it made a high here and it came down here and bounced back. So there is a profit booking after meeting these targets, and this one is running for the next higher side. So if you want to find the next target, you can draw a line in the previous high. This is the previous high, and here you can start from here. If you extend this line, this one got a breakout, that is here. This was the previous breakout, 975 range. So SBIN gave a breakout here, so that is around 975 range. So, and after that, if you ask me, I'll tell you the next targets. I'm following this ways, the target finding, and here this was the next target I'm looking forward. That's around here. So this target I'm looking forward, next one. The target is around 1075 range, 75 to 80 range. But this is the flow. It's for moving on this flow, and this was the lower support here. That means this stocks, whenever it's came down this line, you can buy the stocks for an upper side movement. So most of the case it will fell up to here and it can move up. So this way is a strong stocks move inside a channel. I'm looking forward a channel. This is the channel. It was forming. It's forming now currently. So whenever this one came down, some of the range here, 850 to almost here 900 range. So you can add the stocks and this can move towards the upper side. So if you are holding these stocks, don't worry about till this one is not hold 840 or it went below this 840, then only you worry. Otherwise, continuously hold the stocks, and once this one go upward, and you can ride the stocks. So I'm looking for the next targets after 875. So it can continue this ways, and the full flow, this is the current flow, that is around 1130 range. So I can say that it may go this ways. Maybe after break 1080, then it can go towards 1130 and upward. So this is the way it's performing, and this is all depend on the trend line. And most of the case you already watched my videos and my recommendations, or otherwise the what to call these videos or drawings. It's all I'm drawing the same way what I already explained. So this is the target I am looking for, this SBIN now. So I'm this one is the current breakout, that is 970, still holding. There is no worry about this one. It can move upward. So mostly I'm completed all of this about this SBIN. SBIN. Hope you get this charts and targets or supports of the SBIN, and the breakouts, and how this one moved, and what returns it gave. And we can move on the next stocks. I think I can complete only 2 stocks here because the timing is too much. So, and people will get bored after if you post a long videos. So but here I am try to explain in a few words and a few minutes. So we can go to this next video, that is Union Bank. So the second stock's Union Bank, and look at this chart now. You can identify 2 pattern if you are watching the stocks and in the charts now. There is more bullish patterns, are 1 or 2 3 bullish patterns are there. One is flag and pole, the other one is cup and handle, and the other one is like inverted head and shoulder. So a few bullish patterns are we can trade. And here you see, this is you can see this is a small inside inverted head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, and if you are looking this one, this is the cup and handle pattern too. So if you draw a line, that means here this is the starting point. If you consider, and the breakout you can make. Okay, so this way 165 to 167 range, I think. Yeah, 166 range. Yeah, 167 range we got a breakout to the cup and handle. So those who already knows that the power of cup and handle, they can imagine the targets as well. And even you see the stock was doing like a what to call head and shoulder, but it's not a correct head and shoulder, but it's forming like you see, whenever it came here, go up, came here, go up, came here, go up, you got a breakdown here. This line, sorry, this line, you got a breakdown. See, it was the previous consolidation, or otherwise the previous strong support, and it broken and fell. Now you see this stock was trading above this one, that is around what to call here, around 140 to 143. So 143 range, if this one hold, you can see it can move inside this range. That means it can be something like this way, sorry, yeah, this way, otherwise here this way. So it can move inside this ways. That's why I already marked this one. And even if I show you something else also, you see this, see this is a big inverted head and shoulder. So who knows that which stock can move 1x, 2x, 3x? It can be, na. So nobody knows that. You cannot predict. You can predict with what to call the results, and continuously posting these good results. So you may predict that okay, this can go this much. But later on, now who will knows the ultimate target? So we can only ride on the stocks. So even this, if you I am saying that this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and maybe we get around 400 350 range target as well. So nobody knows. We can only ride the stocks, and the main important things is that you have to take an entry at exact point. That's it. So these stocks I recommended a lot of times, and previous time 100 range or something, and the before that it got a breakout around 70 range. That time also I think I recommended. And see, recently also I recommended this one stocks in somewhere else, here some 132 or 120 range. I didn't remember, I'm not remembering that one. And I'm continuously posting this stocks as for the trading purpose. Here if the breakout got we already got here, so this is very strong. And the targets, if you ask me, the targets we can look now. So why this one got a resistance, or otherwise why we got a target around 178 range? So this is the reason why we got a resistance, or otherwise the target is 178, yeah, sorry, one, how much, 183 now, around 180 to 183 range. Yeah, so this is the reason it got a breakout, sorry, the resistance there. And most probably you can move this ways. So the next target will be here around 194 to, yeah, 195. And the next target mostly will come to 230. This can move this ways. So if you calculate this one, if the stock is moving towards this way, and you are getting another resistance line or a target line from here, if you see these two lines are intersecting each other's this point, so the target might be around 233. So we can imagine that it won't be like a sharp upside movement. It can move here and this ways also, and it can move the 230 line, 280 line. It might be, it can go from here, otherwise go this way. So this is all predictions, and you have to follow these stocks as per this movement. And if you want to continue to hold this one, you need to draw a line on the lower supports line, and till this one is holding this line, continuously hold the stocks. So that means, or otherwise if you get near this line also you can add the stocks around this is 138 to 140 range. It's very good range to hold the stocks if it's come down. And if I'm thinking that my calculation is that it may follow this channel, so it can go here and come down here and go. Otherwise it may come down here and it can bounce directly towards this 230 35 targets. So all my prediction or my drawings or this pattern wise movement as well. So you may accept this one, otherwise you can reject this one, no problem. And if you are still holding the stocks from lower side, my suggestion is that still don't book this one. You can hold this one and continuously. I think this video is a little more longer one. Sorry for that one. And still I am not completed this charts. So but actually I'm forced to close this one because of the very long video. And we can meet the next videos and more charts of PSU banks. Hope you get good knowledge or otherwise the idea about this two PSU stocks, that is Sbin and Union Bank. If this one is helpful to you and your trading life or your trading ways, you can suggest these videos to your friends, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if it may helpful to someone else also. And please subscribe my channel too, and don't forget to click the like button. That's it from my side for this today, and we can meet the next videos from the new stocks. So hopefully I will come back very quickly because the market is getting a good opportunity that the stocks are falling, and we are getting very good opportunity to add this type of stocks. That means the index is very strong, the PSU bank, and even the next union budget is coming, so it can boost this banking sectors and finance sectors mostly. So don't book this bank sectors profits. And okay, that much I can tell you. So closing the day, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, see you.